In this video, I'm going to explain how to withdraw your earnings from JumpTask. So first of all, log in into your JumpTask account, then click on your profile located in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, before you can request a withdrawal, make sure you have already connected a crypto wallet to your account. So you can use Trust Wallet, Binance, or any other wallet you prefer. You just need to click right here and connect with wallet. Okay, assuming your wallet is already connected, the next step is to meet the minimum requirement. You need at least 0.5 GMPT, which is equivalent to $5. After that, simply click on the payout button. Once you do that, the funds will be transferred directly to your linked crypto wallet, and from there you can convert them to cash or use them as you need. That's all for this video. If you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe to Learn Mode Lab.